So we just started taking the stone wall down in the middle here, but I don't know if you can see, there's a massive stone just here. Let me take you around the other side. Look at the size of that. How much do you reckon that weighs, mate?
It's a big boy.
That's what she said.
It's a big boy.
Right, well hopefully we can get it down. So let's put the GoPro on rest and see. So it's just hanging in there by a thread. Last little bit. Pass you that, Paul. Here we go. 234 on your feet. Get ready to move out the way. Oh yeah. There you go. The size of that. Absolutely massive. So day 2 of taking down the fairly small wall, but there's a bloody lot of stone. And look at the size of some of these rocks. So it's very well built, and then you've got render both sides, which is very thick. So yeah, so I reckon another day we should be just about there, hopefully.